Yeah, Eastside crazy in the snow, getting high as hell.
Fuck with my girl Red. I really don't come out for motherfuckers. You hear me? I don't even come out for my own hoes, but I come out for myself. You hear me? Rest in peace, Eastside.
It's a two.
Bird. All my man do is that smoking mo right there. You hear me? Shit me. Boy, I'm fucked up. Know that I'm fucked up. No, I ain't just out here sober. You hear me? Huh.
Motherfucker, what the fuck going on at this type of weather?
Boy, you seeing what's going Jack Frost. Man, this is the windy season. Now, this is what we live for, G. And this is what it is. Now, if you get money out here, you're a real hustler. If you're not, go to sleep.
The only thing come to sleepers is what?
A dream, baby. And guess what? I can sell them. You hear me? But I can't make them. Because there's bird out here. You hear me? Shit me. Boy, you better you ain't make the
Shut up.
Right on, y'all need to stop telling me to stop talking.
She got it right on.
Boy, that's good. Let me, hey, this is last time. I'm fucked up.
She's high as a dog. Say that.
Hey, look, I bet you a 7 for it.
Yeah, I shut the fuck up. I'm glad you ain't got them bad good. But on real talk, men do what they want, boys do what they can. You hear me? That's why we out here, because we men. Motherfuckers still getting it. There ain't nothing changed but the weather.
I know that's right.
Go on, buckle up, get you some long johns, lay under your girl, whatever you gonna do. But we
still get paid for it.
And still get paid for it. You hear me? There's a recession. This got good dick going. We cooking. There's all type of shit going. You hear me? Wow! I'm so motherfucking fly right now. I don't even know how to stop looking through this. Cut that motherfucker off, Red. You hear me? Shit me. Stop out here, boy. Red gonna keep saving me.
He like, right. Shit, it's a blizzard. Shit, they better, man.